Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to create this blood horror text effect in IBIS Paint X. First of all, I am using finger paint font to create this horror text, like a real stroke like texture. This finger paint gives that texture, so I'm going to use this, and I can't draw in the text layer, so I'm clicking on the filter tool so the layer get rasterize, and then if I use any brush or whatever I can do in the text layer itself. So I used that method to rasterize. So then I'm using lasso fill tool, which is available under special tool, to add that blood dripping like strokes to the text. So okay, the blood dripping effect is ready. Now I'm going to apply the background color black. Keep the reference layer in the settings as current layer to avoid this mistake. So if you keep it in current layer, it's gonna apply the bucket tool color only to the layer. So use that. And then I'm using a relief filter to create this blood effect. This is the main filter you should use if you want to get this blood like look, like fresh liquidy blood like look. So adjust the parameters as you wish. If you check out each and every parameter, you will know how to what measurements give this effect. So I just keep on adjusting, which gives a good result, and then I'm okay with this. Then I'm going to duplicate this layer, and I'm going to add texture to the background. So I'm using watercolor real brush. So I'm keeping the force fade option on, so the texture look more realistic but not like very bright like that. So I'm adding crayon mode to add few more texture to the background, since the text as well as the background are dark. So I want the background gradient background, and it has to be textured. So I'm using these two brushes for this, and then I want few more texture to this. So I'm using off light fog material, which is available under material patterns gray. So this gives good texture to the background. So I'm keeping this layers blending mode as multiply, and as well as I'm reducing the opacity of the layer, like around 75% like that. So now I'm going to add the few more filters to the text layer. I'm choosing the bottom horror layer, and using drop shadow effect to this, because applying every filter to in a single layer, it makes the text looks messy. So I'm just duplicated the layer and perform filter operation in different layer. To drop shadow effect, I have chosen the bottom text layer, and now I'm going to use the top text layer to add the outer appearance, like stained glass filter to add mild black like stroke around the text. So then I'm using glow inner filter in the same layer to add some brownish shade to the dark brown like shade to the text. If I choose a light color like white, like that color, it's gonna pop give the different appearance, but I'm using the dark shade to make it look more appealing. So now the text effect is ready, and I'm going to show you how it looks. I hope you like this video. If you like, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.